Today we're diving deep into the 2025 BYD Atto 3, one of the most exciting electric SUVs in the market right now. BYD has been making waves in the EV industry, and the Atto 3 continues to be a standout model with its cutting-edge technology, stylish design, and impressive performance. In this review, we'll explore everything you need to know inside and out, so stick around to find out if this could be your next ride. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 boasts a modern and futuristic design, blending aerodynamics with an aggressive yet elegant look. The front fascia is dominated by a sleek, closed-off grille, which is typical for electric vehicles. The full-width LED light bar gives it a high-tech appeal, while the slim headlights with integrated DRLs add to the car's sharp and sporty presence. The sculpted lines on the hood flow seamlessly into the side profile, creating a dynamic stance that makes the Atto 3 look more premium than ever. Moving to the side, you'll notice a smooth, flowing design with a sloping roofline that enhances its sporty appeal. The chrome accents along the window trim and door handles add a touch of sophistication, while the aerodynamic side mirrors improve efficiency by reducing drag. The car sits on stylish 18-inch alloy wheels, which not only enhance the aesthetics but also contribute to a balanced and comfortable ride. The wheel arches are subtly flared, giving it a muscular look without being too aggressive. At the rear, the Atto 3 continues its futuristic styling with a connected LED taillight strip that runs across the tailgate. The BYD logo is placed centrally, and the sculpted bumper adds a refined touch to the overall design. The roof spoiler enhances aerodynamics, while the clean lines ensure a minimalist yet bold appearance. The charging port is neatly integrated into the side panel, ensuring easy access without compromising the design. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is where things get really interesting. BYD has taken a unique approach, combining premium materials with a futuristic, tech-heavy layout. The first thing that grabs attention is the large 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen infotainment system. This feature allows users to switch between landscape and portrait mode, making navigation, media controls, and vehicle settings incredibly convenient. The infotainment system is powered by BYD's latest software, offering seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. The dashboard features a wraparound design with soft touch materials, giving it a premium feel. The quirky dumbbell-style air vents add a unique touch, setting the Atto 3 apart from other EVs in this segment. The multi-ductimized steering wheel is leather-wrapped, featuring controls for audio, cruise control, and driver assistance features. Behind it, a 5-inch digital driver's display provides all essential information, including speed, battery status, and navigation prompts. One of the most talked about aspects of the Atto 3H interior is the guitar string-style door pockets, which not only look cool but can also be played like an actual instrument. It's a fun and creative touch that showcases BYD's willingness to think outside the box. The seats are upholstered in high-quality synthetic leather with perforation for ventilation, ensuring comfort on long drives. The front seats are electrically adjustable with heating functions available in higher trims. Space-wise, the Atto 3 offers ample room for both front and rear passengers. The rear seats provide decent legroom and headroom, making it comfortable for adults. There's also a panoramic sunroof, which adds an airy feel to the cabin, making it feel even more spacious. The boot space is around 440 liters, which is more than sufficient for daily needs, and with the rear seats folded down, it expands significantly, allowing for larger cargo loads. Now let's talk about performance. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is powered by a 60.5 kWh Blade Battery, which is one of the safest and most efficient battery technologies in the industry. This battery powers a single electric motor that produces 201 horsepower, 150 kW, and 310 Nm of torque. This setup allows the Atto 3 to accelerate from 0.100 km/h in around 7.3 seconds, making it one of the quicker EVs in its segment. The driving experience is smooth and refined thanks to the well-tuned suspension and balanced chassis. The Atto 3 offers different driving modes including Eco, Normal, and Sport, allowing drivers to adjust the performance based on their preferences. In Sport mode, the instant torque delivery makes city driving effortless, while on highways, it maintains a solid and stable ride. One of the biggest highlights of the Atto 3 is its impressive range. With a full charge, the WLTP rated range is around 420 km, which is more than enough for daily commutes and even long-distance trips. The car supports DC fast charging, allowing it to charge from 30% to 80% in just 30 minutes using a high-power charger for home charging. A standard 7 kW AC charger takes about 9 hours for a full charge, making overnight charging a practical option. When it comes to handling, the Atto 3 offers a well-balanced ride. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, ensures excellent stability around corners. The steering is light but precise, making city driving and parking hassle-free. The regenerative braking system is adjustable, giving drivers control over how aggressively the car slows down when lifting off the accelerator. Safety is another strong point for the 2025 BYD Atto 3. The vehicle is equipped with ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. It also comes with 7 airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced safety. The Atto 3 has received high safety ratings, making it a solid choice for families and safety-conscious buyers. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is priced competitively in the electric SUV market. The base model starts at around $38,000, while the fully loaded variant can go up to $45,000 depending on the market and optional features. When compared to competitors like the Hyundai Kona Electric, Tesla Model Y, and MG ZS EV, the Atto 3 offers a great balance of performance, range, and technology at a reasonable price. Additionally, many regions offer incentives and tax credits for EV buyers, making it even more affordable. To sum it all up, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is a well-rounded electric SUV that excels in design, technology, performance, and value for money. The futuristic exterior, tech-laden interior, and solid driving dynamics make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to switch to an EV. With its impressive range, fast charging capability, and advanced safety features, the Atto 3 is a strong contender in the ever-growing EV market. What do you think about the 2025 BYD Atto 3? Would you consider it as your next EV? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vehicle Buzz for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.